we are just doing one little thing here, okay? Sometimes we want to write things that Dr. Racket shouldn't hear. So sometimes a program does two things. It communicates to the computer what it should do, and it communicates to other human beings what the computer is supposed to be doing. So if we don't want Racket to hear something, we say this letter first. This thing is called a semicolon, and you see lots of them here, okay? The way you type a semicolon is actually sort of between the L key and the return key, usually on US keyboards at least. So just to the right of the L key, there's a thing with sort of two dots close to one another, and then below that a dot and a comma, and this is the dot and a comma. So if you don't hold down Shift, then you can type one of these. So what I want you to do is scroll all the way to the bottom where you've been starting stuff, and go to the beginning of that line and add the semicolon, and you saw it change color, right? Here it's like blue with brown for the imaginary circle that the parentheses mean. And when you put the semicolon, then it's brown, just like all the other description here. Okay, so that's all it is. When you run, one of the things you'll notice is when you run, then it's like not much happens. Eventually, when you run, you get this sort of arrow. All 48 tests passed, and then you get this arrow. But mission control does not come up. Don't worry, no mission control. We'll bring it back soon, just not yet.